Hello everyone, my name is Vamsi Krishna. Now I am telling about the mock AI interview. I participate in a mock AI interview using Interview Warm Up by Google, a platform developed to help candidates practice and prepare for real world interviews using AI generated questions. Since my target role is system intern at Walmart, I selected the IT support and general tech categories, which closely align with the responsibilities and expectations of a system oriented role. Before beginning, I customized and uploaded a resume that aligned with the job role but suppressed personal identifiers in line with the academic instructions. The interview began with a set of structured questions divided across different themes: background, technical, and situational and behavioral. The platform allowed me to respond via voice or typing and then provided instant feedback with highlights identifying relevant keywords, communication strengths, and improvement areas. This setup mimicked a realistic interview environment, offering valuable insights into my readiness for such opportunities. One of the first question I encountered was, tell me about a time when you solved a technical problem under pressure. I responded with my experience during the Google Cloud internship, where I was responsible for deploying a container- containerized microservice using Kubernetes. When a misconfiguration caused downtime, I quickly diagnosed the issue using GCP logs and redeployed with corrected environment variables. I explained how this res- resolution helped restore the system in under 20 minutes. The platform identified this as a strong example of real-time troubleshooting and system-level thinking, a core skill for a system engineer. Another technical question asked was, how do you ensure system reliability and uptime in cloud-based architectures? In response, I discussed my understanding of monitoring tools, automated backups, load balancing, and failover mechanisms using AWS and GCP, which I practiced during internships. Mentioned using CI/CD pipelines to Docker and Kubernetes to streamline deployments while minimizing downtime. The AI feedback highlighted that my response used essential system reliability terms and showed awareness of real-world practices. A behavioral question I found interesting was, Describe, describe a time when you collaborated with a team to improve system performance. I talked about my academic project where we developed a performance optimized version of fitness tracker web application. I took the lead in optimizing database queries and backend API response times using Flask and Mango database. This improved page load speed by 30% and enhanced user experience. The tool advised me to structure answer using the star method for better clarity, although it appreciated the impact focused response. The overall feedback was constructive. It praised my domain knowledge, clarity in communication, and the ability to connect past experiences with the job role. It was recommended that I reduce filler words, practice pacing, and make my responses more concise and structured, especially for behavioral scenarios. The keyword tracking feature also showed that I consistently mentioned relevant terms like system performance, deployment, cloud infrastructure, and optimization, which matched the job role. In conclusion, this mock AI interview experiences was highly insightful. It helped me access my strengths and identify areas to improve. The AI feedback made me more confident about how I present my technical and collaborative skills for system intern role at Walmart. I would recommend it interview warm up by Google to anyone preparing for technical interviews, especially in roles involving system administration, cloud computing, and backend optimization. Thank you all.